This is the brand new 55th Anniversary Edition Serger from Babylock, a serger commemorating 55 years of innovation and leading the industry in the domestic serger market. Let's unbox and review it. So to get started right off the top, we have the 55th Anniversary Limited Edition written right on the outside of the box, on all four sides, so just in case you were wondering what it was, there it is. Let's go ahead and open up the top here. And we are greeted with all the regular paperwork and goodies. Got our foot control and power cord. And this is actually something I haven't seen before in a box from Babylock. This is actually a little brochure to show you all the machines that they have in their lineup. So it's just a nice little way to see everything that they have. They have a little coupon for a special offer, which you'll have to go to babylock.com/register to see what that's about. Brochure for koala cabinets. The lovely instruction manual, which personally, I actually really like the way the Babylock instruction manuals are laid out. They've got lots of pictures and are typically pretty clear on how to use the machine, but they also have a really nice stitch chart. It's actually a really thick piece of paper. They even got a little hole punch here so you can put a ring on it and hang it somewhere if you want. But these are super handy and tell you every single stitch that you can do on the machine and how to set them up. And then our little accessory package right here at the top as well. And lifting up styrofoam, we get to see the machine sitting nicely wrapped in plastic right inside. Lifting up by the handle, pull it right out of the box onto the table. On the plastic off the machine, we have the brand new Babylock 55th Anniversary Edition Serger. So right off the bat, you might notice something just a little bit different about this serger in comparison to most of other Babylock sergers. That's it got a little bit of color on it. They went with this sort of light mint green color as a commemoration of the past with their original serger. They've thrown a lot of the accent color around this machine here on the stitch width and length dials, on the thread tower, on the back of the machine for the thread stand, and of course with Babylock machines, we've always got our little accessory storage right here that's got some more accessories tucked inside. And they also have that hand wheel here in that mint green color. So let's go over some of my favorite features about this machine. First of all, it's got this electric air threading. So at the press of a button, that's going to run a motor which will pull a nice jet of air through the looper ports and thread your loopers with no problem at all. And then Babylock's patented tension system, it delivers the exact amount of thread that you're going to need for each stitch, depending on the thickness of the fabric it's going over. It's also very simple and easy to use. So between the settings on the machine, which there's a few levers and dials around, and this stitch chart, you can actually switch between every single stitch that this machine can do super quickly and easily. And once it is set up, it's ready to go. So if you're set up for a 4-thread serge, anytime you need to serge something, because again of that tension system, you can pretty much walk up to the machine, put whatever material you're trying to use through it, and it will just work. Love that about Babylock sergers. Now this is a limited edition machine, so they're going to be a limited run production, and once they're gone, they're gone. So if you are interested in one of these, today is the best time to get one. We have Babylock sergers that come into our repair shop that are over 20 years old that with regular maintenance simply just need a minor adjustment and some cleaning, and they're good to go, working almost like new again. My name's Calvin with Monteville Sewing Centers. If you're interested in this machine, you can click on the link in the description below and check it out on our website.